Good morning. Coming at you from the Jungle River Abode. This morning I was doing my gardening and I felt the need to come over under my quarter lapilla to get rid of some of the little dead leaves in the plant I have here. And guess who I found? Guess who showed up? Peekaboo! It's a beautiful little owl who is sitting in this most precious part of my little home. Yeah. It's... How are you? How are you? In Feng Shui, this is the spiritual knowledge corner of the house. And my earth totem is owl. So it doesn't get any better than this. Isn't she beautiful? Hi, goddess. She's just hiding behind there. She's tiny, 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 so I'm going to let her be at peace. And I think I'm going to go and see what I can do. I have one cat. And I have another one over here, ready. Durga, leave her alone, sweetheart. Leave her alone. So I gotta get busy and figure out the best way to protect her. There it is. Have a great Saturday.